the same time, it's birthday of our head today. So I don't know what will happen. So let's see what will happen today. Birthday niya today.
Sino?
70 years old. So sensei, yes. So let's see what will happen today. So God bless you all. So smile and be happy. Bye-bye.